This particular experiment, we're working on SODIS, which stands for solar disinfection. Solar disinfection is a water treatment method that has been used in the past to purify drinking water.
I'm from Haiti, and we actually got cholera from fecal contamination. So when she brought it up to me, I guess we connected on the fact that she's from Kenya and I'm from Haiti. So we kind of both knew how it actually affects communities. My research project focuses on finding ways that we could purify the water naturally. So we're exposing water that was contaminated that we actually got from the pond. We put the water in PET bottles and we exposed them on the roof so that the sun could automatically hit our bottles.
You can literally take drinking water, put it in a bottle, leave it out in the sun, and after a couple of hours, the water will be safe to drink. This project has been tested in Africa. In one of the slum dwellings in Kenya, we took some CSTEP students there to test out the SODIS method, whether it can work in that slum community. And we demonstrated that it can work.
Instead of just focusing on SODIS, which is solely focusing on the sun rays, we're also adding silver nanoparticles to make it more efficient.
In the past, we learned that it takes about 4 hours to purify drinking water. And we know that that's a long time. No one is going to be putting water there and waiting for 4 hours for it to be clean. So what we want to do is we want to see, can silver nanoparticles shorten that time possibly to 40 minutes? So we're trying to see how much time can we get that SODIS to work more efficiently.
CSTEP has been important to me as it pushes me to see past science and see how I could enforce it into my community.
Research is more experimental. It's when they do get to practice what they've learned and apply that knowledge. I feel like whenever we teach them in the classroom, they don't grasp as much because it's all theoretical. But when they come into the lab, that's where they put the knowledge into practice and they get a lot more learning done. The CSTEP research program gives them that 8 weeks of just focused time on research and focused mentoring, where we work with them throughout the process.
I think the whole process was so helpful. Working with Dr. Obuya really has taught me a lot, from discipline to organization and just learning a lot about research. Like, research is not just about going to lab and getting stuff done. I think it really helps you as a person. It has definitely made me more organized, the way she wants things to be done. I think she has taught me a lot, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity.
CSTEP is very important because it really focuses on the underrepresented minority students who would otherwise not have this opportunity. CSTEP creates that platform and that space where students can really be given that opportunity which they would otherwise not have. And also in terms of mentorship, CSTEP provides that mentorship.